Hey, Vincent! We got cops coming! Step on it! Can't this piece of shit go any faster? Just sit down, Leo! You're gonna fall off! Alright! Here we go! Here they come! Hold on back there! Just focus on driving, man! I'll keep them off our backs! Faster! Faster! Trying to hold them back! I'm trying! I'm doing my best! Go, go, go! Out of the way! Out of the way! Oh shit! This is gonna be tight! That was a close one. What happened? You okay? I'm fine. Keep going. I'm not giving it that easy. Come on! Yeah. Hold on back there! Where did all these cars come from? Out of the way! This goddamn car can't go any faster! Come on! Come on, Vincent! Just keep it steady! Here you go, you cunt! Cops are still on us, Vincent! Hold on back there! This might get bumpy! I can't hit anything while you drive like an ass! I'm doing my best over here! Oh, shit! Okay back there? What do you think? You drive like an idiot! I'm trying my best here, goddammit! Drive better!
Spikes are out! We got him now! All units to the south of the bridge!
Stop! You're under arrest!
Stay where you are! Freeze!
You okay? Stop! Yeah! Let's go! Come on!
Get those bastards! Come on! Go, go, go!
Vincent, run! We can't stay here!
Don't let them get away! Somebody
Shit! Vincent, let's take the boat! Come on! Vincent, get over! Come on, go! Push! Push! Where the hell does this river take us?
I have no idea, but the further away, the better.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
All right, start rowing. We need to get going.
Hey, Vincent.
Yeah?
I think I saw something in the water.
It's probably a shark, Leo.
What do you mean? There are no sharks in this water.
How do you know?
It's sweet water.
You're a clever guy, Leo.
But I really saw something, though. Probably a fish.
Yeah, whatever. That fish.
Probably salmon.
You know what? It could have been a crocodile.
Seriously? I don't like crocodiles.
Well, watch out then.
Hey, Vincent,
Yeah.
think there are any bears in these woods?
There are probably bears in these waters, Leo.
Ha! Like I'd believe that.
Looks like our peaceful boat ride is over. Some rough streams ahead. Check for the rock. Hold on. Hey, watch out. Some rough streams up ahead.
Take a sharp right. Wouldn't it be fast if I just jumped in and swam?
Yeah, sure. You try that. I'll just stay in the boat.
I think we're through the worst of it. The rest is just a smooth ride.
I think you spoke too soon, Leo. Look straight ahead.
Holy shit! Ah! Whoa! See that?
Paddle to the left. Waterfall! Waterfall! We're not done yet. Steer left.
Watch out for that rock! Watch out! The fuck? Vincent!
Yeah,
I'm coming!
all right.
Grab You okay?
I'm okay.
Let's get out of here.
All right.
What of you, huh?
Yeah. So? What happens now?
Look. I know what you're thinking. But going after Harvey won't be easy.
I know. But I'm going after him, with or without you.
You want to end up dead?
I want him gone. He's a cold-blooded killer. The world's gonna be a better place without him. You never told me, Leo. What is your story with Harvey?
Before I got busted, me and Harvey made a huge score.
Bank job?
Nah. You ever heard of a Black Orlov?
Are you serious? The diamond? How the hell did you pull that off?
A lot of planning and a bit of luck.
So what happened?
Everything was going our way. We even had a buyer. But that greedy fuck had other plans.
It's all there. Count it.
Looks about right.
Of course it is. You can always trust me.
I'm not trusting nobody, my friend. Here you go. What do you think?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Pleasure doing business with you guys.
You too.
Give me the case!
What the fuck are you doing?
Give me the fucking case, Leo! Hand it over, now! It's nothing personal, it's just business. Give me the briefcase.
Next thing I know, I'm surrounded by cops.
That's rough. I'm sorry.
Oh, trust me. He's the one who's gonna be sorry. I'm making things right. For me. And for my family.
So do you know where Harvey is right now?
I know one of his guys, Ray. He'll know for sure.
So? What are we waiting for? Let's go after him.
You really want to take Harvey down, huh?
Like I said, with or without you, I'm going after him.
Okay.
All right. Where can we find this Ray guy?
Don't worry, he's gonna be easy to find. But I need to make sure my family's safe first.
Of course.
Let's go.
Don't go too far, Alex.
Mom? Mom!
What is it, honey? What's wrong? Oh, shit. Alex? Alex?
Leo, can I ask you something personal? How do you and your wife manage to stay together in this line of work?
We've always been together. You know, she knows me better than I know myself. I was 12 when we met at the orphanage.
Orphanage?
You could say that my parents didn't do their job.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Don't be. I barely remember them. Besides, I was fortunate enough to have Linda. She was crazy. You know, we used to run away together. Steal ice cream, cigarettes, shit. It's always been us against the world. Still is. No matter what. That's just how it is.
Sounds great.
All right, keep an eye out for my family. It's a woman and a boy, about this size.
You don't know where they live?
They had to move while I was inside.
I see.
Let's just have a look around.
I'm sure we'll find them.
Yeah.
Life looks rough out here.
You got that right.
Never actually set foot in a place like this before.
Oh, yeah? Mr. Fancy Pants with a college degree and a banking job?
Not like any of that helped. I'm here with you now.
You should be happy. I'm great to be around.
Keep telling yourself that. Anyway, let's find your family.